Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kali ini kita belajar grammar. Lesson 4, the past continuous tense. Sebelumnya kita lihat dulu formnya. Di sini ada form affirmative, terdiri dari subjek, kemudian pakai was, were, dan verb one ditambah ing. Contohnya, I was working. You were working. Kapan pakai was, kapan pakai were? Kalau was digunakan untuk subjek I, he, she, it. Kalau were digunakan untuk you, we, they. Dan bentuk form negatifnya pakai subjek plus was or were plus not plus verb one tambah ing. Contohnya, she was not working. We were not working. Sedangkan interrogatif, tanda kata tanya, kalimat pertanyaan, pakainya was, were dulu, kemudian subjek, kemudian verb one ditambah ing. Was she working? Were they working? Sedangkan negatif interrogatif pakai was atau were, kemudian not, tinggal ditambah not aja, kemudian subject plus verb ing. Was not it working? Were not they working? Kapan kita gunakan past continuous tense ini? Is used to say that somebody was in the middle of doing something at certain time. Jadi past continuous tense itu untuk menjelaskan seseorang sedang melakukan kegiatan tertentu di masa lampau, sedang ya. Tapi itu di masa lampau. Contohnya gimana? Contohnya yang pertama, this time last year I was living in Brazil. Jadi pada waktu kayak gini nih, tahun lalu saya tuh tinggal di Brazil. Jadi kegiatannya itu lagi berlangsung di masa lalu tapi kemudian what were you doing at 10 o'clock last night? Apa yang kamu lakukan jam 10 tadi malam? Pekerjaannya itu belum selesai, masih berlangsung tapi di masa lampau terjadinya gitu. I waved to her but she wasn't looking. Saya melambaikan tangan kepadanya tapi dia tuh nggak lihat gitu. Oke? Kemudian the past simple and the past continuous are often used together. Jadi biasanya bentuk dari past simple dan past continuous itu digunakan bersamaan. Gimana dia? Kalau kita ingin bilang sesuatu itu terjadi, sedangkan sesuatu yang lain itu juga ada di dalam sedangkan sesuatu yang lain juga terjadi. Jadi ada dua kegiatan di dalam satu waktu. Contohnya, Tom burned his hand when he was cooking the dinner. Jadi Tom itu membakar tangannya, sebenarnya kayak kebakar tangannya gitu lah. When he was cooking, ketika dia lagi memasak untuk makan malam. Jadi ada dua kegiatan yang berlangsung. Kemudian yang kedua, I saw you in the park yesterday. Saya melihat kamu di taman kemarin. Nah, ini pakai past tense kan. You were sitting on the grass and reading the book. Kamu lagi duduk di atas rumput dan membaca buku. Jadi kegiatannya ini berlangsung kemarin tapi untuk menceritakan kegiatan yang berlangsung yang sedang berlangsung tapi di masa lampau. Kemudian yang C, while I was working in the garden, ketika aku berjalan di taman, I hurt my back. Saya melukai belakang saya, punggung saya. Oke, selanjutnya ada simple past continuous tense short answer to question. Gimana bentuk dari short answer-nya? Di sini ada caranya. Question, was Ali going? Short answer-nya yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Complete answer, yes, he was going. Not, he was not going. Ini gampang banget sih. Ini yang complete. Kalau susah pakai yang short answer aja. Diperlihatkan di sini penggunaan past continuous dan simple past. Karena mereka agak mirip, jadi coba dilihat di sini perbandingannya. Past continuous in the middle of an action. Di past continuous itu digunakan dia ke sesuatu itu terjadi tapi di masa lampau gitu. Dan kegiatannya itu belum selesai. Nah, sedangkan simple past, complete action, kegiatannya memang di masa lampau juga, tapi itu sudah selesai dikerjakan. Contohnya past continuous. I was walking home when I met Hasan. Saya lagi pulang ke rumah ketika saya bertemu dengan Hasan. Jadi kegiatan untuk pulang ke rumah itu belum selesai. Kegiatan untuk pulang itu belum selesai di masa lampau. Tapi kejadiannya. Oke. Kemudian Anne was watching television when the phone rang. Dia lagi nonton nih, belum selesai nontonnya. Terus handphonenya bunyi. Handphonenya berdering. Simple past itu kan complete action. Contoh, I walk home after the party last night. Ini udah selesai, bukan dia lagi di jalan ya. Dia tuh sudah sampai rumah. Jadi pakainya simple past tense. I walk home after the party last night. This is the complete action. And watch television a lot when she was ill last year. And menonton televisi, banyak banget nonton ketika dia sakit tahun lalu. Supply the correct past continuous tense form of the verbs in parentheses. Ini tinggal kalian cocokkan aja pakainya were atau was, kemudian verb one-nya di sini yang di dalam kurung tambahin ing. Contohnya, they eat in the restaurant on the corner when I saw them. They were eating in the restaurant on the corner when I saw them. Kemudian nomor 1, pakai it. Kalau udah it, pakainya was. Pasangannya kan, to be-nya, it was raining when I left home. Nomor 2, when you telepon, I was having dinner. 3, they were traveling in Europe when they heard the news. The baby was sleeping soundly when I went to wake him up. He was just ordering breakfast when I went to his hotel room. I got sick while we were driving to my grandmother's. He was working in California when his father died. I was just taking a nap when you called. Aku lagi tidur siang ketika kamu nelpon. Artinya, she was talking with Mr. Samuel when I saw her in the hall. The accident happened while they were traveling in Madiun. Yang B, in the following sentence, supply the past tense or the past continuous tense form of the verbs in parentheses as required by the meaning. Contohnya, ini disuruh isinya itu apa? Antara past tense dan past continuous, mana yang cocok? Contoh, I study very diligently last night. Ini pakai past tense atau past continuous? Ini tentu pakai past tense ya. I studied very diligently last night karena kegiatannya itu cuma satu ya kan, dan itu sudah selesai terjadi di masa lampau. Kemudian I study last night when you call me on the phone. Ini ada 2 kegiatan yang berlangsung di sini. Jadi pakainya past continuous tense. I was studying last night when you call me on the phone. Selanjutnya, while I go home last night, I saw a bad accident. Ada 2 kegiatan, pakailah dia past continuous tense. While I was going home last night, Kemudian I go home last night by bus. Oke, ini jelas banget nih pakai past tense ya. I went, pakainya went karena dia verb to. Karena dia past tense, pakainya verb to. Verb to dari go adalah went. Kemudian nomor 3, we drive to an amusement park yesterday. Ini pakai past tense ya. We drove, pakai verb to. Nomor 4, we were drive at about 40 miles an hour when the accident happened. Ini tentunya pakai past continuous tense. We were driving at about 40 miles an hour when the accident happened. Nomor 5, our dinner when you phone. Ini ada 2 kegiatan, pakainya past continuous tense. We were having our dinner when you phone. We have our dinner in Charles restaurant last night. Ini pakai past tense. We had, pakai had. Have, verb to-nya adalah had. H-A-D. Nomor 7, while I come to work this morning, I met an old friend. While I was coming to work, ada dua kegiatan. I come to work on the bus this morning. Ini pakai past tense. I came. Come, verb to-nya came. Came tulisannya. The wind was blowing hard when ini jelas pakai past continuous tense ya. The wind was blowing hard when I came to work this morning. The wind hard this morning. Ini pakai past tense. The wind blew gimana sih bacanya? Blew hard. Blew this morning. Mohon maaf, banyak banget yang salah mungkin di pronounce, penjelasan atau jawabannya. See you.